know it's a trap, don't you?
Yeah. 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 Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping bands concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least it's what my mom says, proof is in the progress. Money's not an object, busy than a motherfucker. You know how my job get, barking up the wrong tree. You know how the dogs get, haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real. Might trust my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, or Linda Felicia. She gave me twice, I didn't even know her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably.
What's up, y'all? So we're in Burlington. We came to find a jacket, preferably a puffer. I never knew that we was coming in here to look for a particular puffer coat. I knew we was coming here looking for a coat, but I didn't know it had to be a puffer. I mean, I thought a jacket was just a jacket, but I get in here something totally different. Here go a puffer right here.
Where's it blue?
It's black.
Too big.
It's the extra large.
No, it's like,
you're gonna need it big because you're gonna be putting stuff over it. You're gonna be wearing clothes over it.
Over it?
I mean under it. You have clothes under it is what I meant. Here go a blue one.
I don't want a blue. I was talking about like blue. I want a black one.
Here go a green one.
Or the black one.
Look, we don't got time to be picky. This is the last minute type thing, so you're gonna have to get what we can get. We ain't got time to be picky. What size is that?
Large.
Don't you need an extra large?
Yeah.
You don't like this green one?
No.
Here go one. Here go extra large. Here go one. Here go a puffer. It's black. You don't like that one either?
Yeah, I like this one.
Try it on.
It's not on camera.
Alright, so we're about to leave Burlington because they don't have any coats my boy's size, and what they did have, it was not the appropriate color for him. So we're going to go across the street over here to the Ross and a TJ Maxx, and hopefully between the two of those they'll have something. And I think he said, my son said he went into Walmart the other day and they had coats in Walmart too, but we're going to try Ross and TJ Maxx while we're over in this area. Y'all, when I say this is last minute doing, because at first he wasn't going to go. But at the last minute he decided he wanted to hop on the train with us. So we're going to see y'all at the next stop. Alright, y'all, so I made it back home and I'm about to pop these TikTok wings. I've seen a few people talk about these wings before. This is the Great Value chicken wings with garlic butter dry rub. Have y'all seen these? I'm pretty sure you guys have. They've been all over TikTok, all over YouTube or whatever. So I'm late to the party, so I'm trying these. So I already cooked one batch of these in my air fryer, so I'm cooking my second batch now. I'm about to pop these in the air fryer and let them cook and do what it do. Let it do what it do. But I'm in here watching my sis Amanda, or y'all know her as Just Doris. I'm gonna leave her channel name in my description box below. Y'all go and check her out. And what I'm gonna start doing, I noticed that Amanda always has me in her my channel link in her description box. So I think I'm gonna do that in return. Anybody that I ever mention on my channel, the ladies that I don't skip a beat watching, I watch all their videos, even though they know I can't probably comment on their videos. I watch them every time they upload a video. Might not be right then, but I do watch them faithfully. I don't skip a beat on these ladies. So I'm gonna start leaving them their channel names in my description box, so y'all can kind of see who I like to watch. I like to watch a wide range of people. I'm kind of into a lot of different stuff. I'm just nosy like that. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna start doing, leaving their channel information in my description box. So if y'all ever are looking for somebody new to watch, or if you like me, then you'll like some of these ladies that I watch as well. And like I said, I'll leave their links to their channel in my description box. So I ran this first batch twice. I ran them for 26 minutes total. They were kind of a little light brown a little bit, but I ran them again because my husband liked them. He likes his kind of crispy. So that's what the first batch looks like. Now I'm about to work on my second batch, and I'm just popping them in the air fryer. I'm about to put these in the microwave and let them rest and start my second batch. I need to go upstairs because I got to work on something, but I'm gonna bring y'all with me. But I'm gonna try the wing with you guys. So I set this wing right here to the side. It's pretty good. It's good, y'all. And I'm glad I ran them twice, because they still soft. They crispy, but they soft still. They're real good. With that dry rub. So we're eating this and a salad. Not the chicken salad. Not the chicken salad. So I need to go upstairs and start working on something else before I tackle this. I think I might tackle this later this week, because I still got some more stuff I need to pull down out my attic. Alright, so I'm gonna call y'all back.
For the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew out to Spain to be in my domain, the automata, bitch. Dropped $3 on the ring, called it been the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Granny, she was standing right there while I catch a play on the brick. I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Who gave you that?
Hi, how are you? I'm good. Good. Y'all, when I say I have reached the highest level of procrastination, and aggravation, I'm there. I'm there. My husband wants to leave home at 4 a.m. Y'all, I am just now laying across this bed to get a nap in. So we're in the process of getting ready to leave for our holiday vacation, or not really a vacation, just holiday trip, right? And so my oldest son decides at the last minute that, oh, he's not going. He has other plans for the holiday, which is fine by me. But that means that I need to make sure that you have something to eat while I'm gone, because I don't feel right leaving you here, even though he's going to be with his girlfriend for Thanksgiving and they're going to have dinner over there. I don't feel right leaving him here with no cooked food. So I cooked him some macaroni and cheese, and I'll insert that footage here. And then I made him a cookie pudding. I'll insert that clip here. Okay. Then I also cooked him some ham. So those are his 3 dishes that he requested that he have for Thanksgiving. So after I got my stuff together, I got everything. All my clothes is folded at the tip top of the bed right here. Got my stuff together. He decides to tell me that he's not going with us on our trip. So therefore, it's just gonna be me. It's just gonna be me and Be Smooth traveling this holiday, which is fine. Y'all, I am so tired. I'm so sleepy. This is not the way it was supposed to go planned. It's not the way that I had planned, or it was not my intention for it to happen like this, but it just kind of happened like this. So this is what procrastination gets. So now I got to hurry up, get up, put my clothes in a suitcase. I don't even know if any of this stuff kind of matches. Well, it does match, but I might just throw my stuff in the suitcase, and whatever I don't have, I just won't have. It is what it is at this point. Irritation and aggravation at its finest. This is real life stuff, y'all. This is real life. If y'all got teenagers, y'all feel my pain. Do you feel my pain? Comment down below. Let me know if you feel my pain. How they're very indecisive. They like to tell you at the last minute that they want to do stuff or they don't want to do something. They tell you at the last minute they need money. They tell you at the last minute. They just so irritating. Oh my gosh. But I love them to death. And I'll do anything for my children. I love them very, very much. I feel like I'm talking out the side of my neck right now. I'm about to go over here, put my clothes in a suitcase, and we're going to head out. I probably will talk to y'all on my next vlog, because the next clips will probably be just a bunch of B-roll. I think. The next vlog after this vlog will be a travel vlog. Okay? Make sure you keep looking good. Make sure you keep smelling good. And I'll see y'all on my next video.